How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. In today's episode, we're going to be working on finally finishing the interior cleaning. That's it. No more. After this, stuff's going back in. So tonight, carpet's getting cleaned. Same process we used before. Vacuum, clean with the solution, and then extract with the extractor. I took a brush and a rag and cleaned up the rear back here, all of the sheet metal. Found a little bit of surface rust, but surface rust is good. Bubbling is bad. We'll have to take a look at that in the future. But the future isn't now. The now is finishing this up. At the beginning of today's episode, the beginning of all the work, I added some lights up above me in this nice C shape. We'll be looking into that a little bit. I did record all of that. Don't worry. Enough of me talking. I know you're not here to hear me talk. Let's get right into work. This is the LED strip I plan on putting up on the ceiling to try to give me some more light. I have one above me already. Hopefully it'll help. Over here it definitely did. But this is just on some 3M tape. I'm going to split them in the center here, in between each one, and kind of do like a half moon shape. Maybe, if I'm lucky, that'll be enough. If not, it's time to go to Harbor Freight. In that clip you saw me add power poles to this. I want to be able to quickly take this off and put it back on if I have to, or if the power supply dies or something, because cool. These little wall warts die sometimes. Not often, but it happens. He doesn't know how right he is. Gravity still works. There we go. Ooh, that blew that out. Oh my god. These things are kind of bright. Let's move over there. With the lighting in now, we can finally start working on the car with some more light. Although I did notice in the GoPro, on the app, I am a little overblown, so we'll have to fix that in post. With that all taken care of, we need to get the car moved over and we need to start vacuuming and carpet cleaning. Really? God damn it. Alright, so hold on. So this is the gas piston that helps the top go up and down. Earlier you saw me fighting with it. It links up here and it goes to the mechanism, and it's not the greatest mechanism ever, but it works. And let me see here, hold on. Buy a magnetic one, they said. For this. You're supposed to now, when you pick this up, that's not supposed to become two parts. See, now this is free, and this is moving on its own here. So I think I might need to replace that now, but I have absolutely no idea what you would even call that. Joys of owning an old car. Don't do it.